Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video I am going to show you how to add empty matrix equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our Word document. Now we want to add empty matrix in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Equation drop down menu and insert new equation. Now we can see we inserted a blank equation box. Now we want to add empty matrix equation in this box. Click the box. Then go to the design menu. Then click the matrix drop down menu. Then choose any empty matrix. Now I select the 3x2 empty matrix and added text or anything on this matrix. Select the box and added text. Now we can see we add empty matrix equation in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.